What I'd like to talk to you about today is ownership in learning. I'm a teacher in the classroom, have been for 10 years, and I've found that through my studies and through my experience with teaching and learning, that true 21st century learning in the classroom is going to start with ownership. And ownership starts with choice. So what I want to tell you today, I want to show you a couple of digital tools that I've found, especially Padlet, that allows ownership and choice and voice in the classroom. So before before I show you some really great things you can do with Padlet, I just want to show you how easy it is. You simply sign in, it's a free account, and you create a Padlet. You hit the plus sign down here, you can make a Padlet. You go up here to Padlet and it will show you your dashboard. As you can see, I've made thousands of Padlets. There is one downside, and that downside is that you would have to upgrade in order to make folders. So I'm going to go back here to the plug and play. The idea of this is that students can plug into the dashboard every day and design part of their learning experiences as well as drive the other learning experiences. So 21st century learning is digitally enhanced. It is personal. It is consistently filled with choice on the part of the learner. It is creative. It is passionate. It's collaborative and socially communicated. And finally, it is self-driven. Padlet allows learners to plug into their dashboard each day. I have goals. I have toolboxes. I have each day there's a dashboard that has our goals for the day. They connect their own goals. This right here is a picture that I've snapped from a Padlet. You can draw in Padlet. You can like things. You can grade things. You can comment. So the intuitiveness and the real-time usefulness of Padlet is definitely there. It really does allow me to do everything I need to do. You can upload Google Docs, Google Forms, pictochart designs that you've made, videos, and share and collaborate on all of this. It's so easy. So that's basically the why it's so great tutorial. You can sign in and ask for more, and I will certainly help you create different Padlets for your different needs. But just play around with it. Once you plug in and you start creating, you'll love it too. Happy learning!